Hi everyone, welcome you all to the Membrane and Filtration Network. This is a program by Technobase. Today I'm going to introduce one of the membrane technology suppliers who serve the membrane industry with chemicals which are very important for the membrane systems. That is a part of this membrane filtration the Connect program. Basically, through this program, we introduce technologies, their suppliers, and also their services, the strength and case studies about it. Today, I'm with Mr. Tachai. He's the managing director of the Macaw Water. I know him for a very long time, so we can say buddies, okay? And I think since probably 15 years, close to 15 years, yeah. And right. So I'm happy to host him today for this program, Membrane and Filtration Connect program. So let's get to know more about Macaw Water for the benefit. I know about it already, but it's better you also should know, and maybe through the words of the Kun Tachai. Kun Tachai, thank you very much for being part of this program today. Yeah.
Okay.
And can you give some insights about your product line? What market you serve under the Macaw Water?
Yeah. Sure. Thank you very much, Kun Peram. Yeah. Macaw Water is established from 2005. Yeah. 17 years already. Yeah. We start with PWT, Professional Water Technology, the company, U.S. company. They produce the unique RO anti-scalant, like Titan ASD 200, Spectacard 300, and this chemical is like a unique chemical, unique and own RO anti-scalant. You can the customer can prove the performance. This is very, very important. They can prove the performance of RO anti-scalant, and we supply to the customer, big customer like Seawater RO of PTT. Now they changed the name to the TPSC. That is the biggest seawater RO in Thailand. 24,000 cubic meter per day. And we also supply Titan SD 200 to the biggest recycling plant in Thailand also, 10,000 cubic meter per day. Yeah. Here is that plant. Yeah. We supply from the plant start. Yeah. And now it's almost 15 years.
Wow.
Yeah. We not only the best chemicals, the best RO anti-scalant, but we have our service also. Yeah. We take service the sample and analyze the water analyze and bacteria analysis, and then we report. Here, so we visit every weekly, and we report and we comment, which should do and or do well already, and that is together. That view, like the plant is operation is smooth. 15 years is amazing. Yeah.
So you have anti-scalant.
Yeah.
And you also have a biocide.
The non-oxidizing biocide.
And because you can also prevent the biofouling, clean up the
biofouling.
Because membranes, the serious problem is the biofouling,
Sure.
So you have that.
Especially is for the recycling water. From the wastewater, a lot of bacteria. So we have the non-oxidizing biocide also.
See, today actually we are not at a Macaw Water office. Actually, we are at the Macaw Water's client's place. You look back, this is wastewater treatment and water reclamation plant number 1. This is actually Tachai is offering his service with his products, both anti-scalant as well as the biocide. And this plant, what they do is that they treat the wastewater from the 2000 factories and I think that's what I understand. And then from the effluent from the wastewater treatment, they will process the water by using the membrane systems. Basically, it's a water recycling plant. Okay, so it's a great opportunity, to learn from the customer how they are experienced with your products. Rather than you talk about it, let them talk about it. Right? Yeah. So
then let us listen
from them
directly.
Yeah, why they are using your products, what is advantage, that is, I think, very important for all the people to understand, and most importantly, you just mentioned that you have a water analysis laboratory. Do you have in-house laboratory?
Yeah, we have in-house laboratories in Rayong. Yeah, we have the full analyzer. Yeah, that is it's very good because we need to analyze the water, go along with apply the chemical.
Yes.
Yeah, to investigate that this go along well or not. What happened.
Right.
What happened, and then we can collect it suddenly.
Right.
Yeah, we need we know and we set up our laboratory.
So it is very important, to analyze it, and immediately you can tell your customer, hey, this is what to do, how to improve.
Yeah.
I think I understand from this one. This plant is very important, not only for them, actually for the operations of. I don't know how many factories are located here.
So critical,
critical.
They cannot stop one day. Cannot stop.
Yeah, if you stop, they get in trouble. All the factories
in
trouble.
Yeah, very critical.
This plant is located in Amata city in Chonburi Industrial Estate, and where it has all kinds of factories are here, and they need water. This plant supplied to the main company Amata Water, and then to all the factories. So I think let's go and talk to your customer and what they say about your products.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and learn from them their own words. Okay, how it benefits them. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
let's go.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Let's go. Thank you very much.
Okay, this is the process flow diagram of the plant. Yeah. So we learned more about this from their team only. Okay, just have a look at, they already showed on the outside their building, with the floor plan and the flow diagram of this Amata Water. Yeah. And you see here, a chemical treatment system here. You see the anti-scalant, biocide. These belongs to the Macaw water. Yeah. Okay.
Titan
ASD
200.
Yes. Yeah. So this gives a complete picture of the flow diagram of this plant. Yeah. Okay. You can see they have the basically this is effluent water from the wastewater treatment plant, and they have the DAF. Okay. Then it goes to the UF, or they also have a micro filtration also. Then goes to the RO plant. Okay. I think we learned more from them. Okay. What is all this plant about?
Yeah,
okay,
let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this looks like a wastewater treatment plant, that side, yeah? And this side is the, here, I think this is entrance, yeah? Wow, this is a great, they manage it very well, yeah? So we already met the team, the team of the Ran Hill Group and also Anurag Water, okay, Anurag Water team. Thank you very much for hosting us today. Thank you very much. Yeah. So let's learn more about his products, okay, and also how it helps your operations of the membrane water treatment plant. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's go upstairs. Yeah. Hi guys, we are at Anurag Water. This is a plant under the Ran Hill Group, which is basically a Malaysian company. It's a very big group, Ran Hill Group. They're taking care of this Anurag Water. Anurag Water is located in the Amata City, Chonburi Industrial Estate. and Anurag Water is taking care of all the water requirements in this industrial estate. So we are here with the team members of Anurag Water, and basically they are the customer to Macaw Water. Macaw Water, as you know, I was talking to you all. Macaw Water is supplying the anti-scalant and also the biocides to run the operations of the Anurag water treatment plant smoothly. So we are here with the Kunjam and also the Pirong Rong. He is a plant manager, okay, and she is a project coordinator. So let's learn more about their experience about Macaw Water, their products, and also how the service, how is Tatchai is taking care of their their company in terms of providing a service or their team members. So let's listen. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity to visit you today and to talk about it. So maybe you can little introduce yourself. Yeah.
My name is Kamon Potong, plant manager.
And
I'm Pirong Pasert Pong, project coordinator.
so Kunjaman, you've been plant manager since beginning. How many กี่ปีแล้วต้องถึงทำงานที่นี่กี่ปีแล้วครับ How long you work here?
ผมเพิ่งมาอยู่
Okay.
ผมเพิ่งมาอยู่ไม่นานก็มาสัก8 ปีได้
Okay, he's been the plant manager for 8 years. 8 years, yeah. It's not main นานแล้ว long time, yeah. 8 years is you're taking care of very nice. Okay, and could be wrong. How long you work?
10 years.
10 years. So 10 years you're taking care of look after the plant operations as well under him, working under him. Yeah. So nice. So can you tell us about how let's talk about the plant capacity, how much the water they produce.
For this plant, we are central wastewater treatment plant of Amata City, Chonburi, number 1. We have a wastewater treatment plant around 16 mld.
Okay.
After that, we send to the reclamation treatment plant. For this plant, the capacity 10 mld. For the RO, yes.
And it's 24 hours operation.
Yes.
Yeah, otherwise in trouble. Okay, and so you've been using Macaw Water anti-scalant. Can you talk about what grade or what brand you use under Macaw Water?
For this plant, we use RO chemical by using the membicide. We use 2 types of membicide. Membicide 1216C and membicide number 1120. And another one we use anti-scalant. It's an innovation we call the Titan ASD 2000 to improve the RO water quality.
Yeah.
For this plant, we use a chemical from Macaw Water. Many years ago, since we start up this plant, since 2008 at the present around about 10 years, more than 10 years, to improve the water from the RO product. Yes. For this plant, we have a service from the Macaw is very important for my plant. They collect the RO water to analyze it by the lab and after that they send the water quality to improve our plant. And after we use the chemical from the Macaw Water, we don't have the problem about the fouling or about the scalant inside the membrane.
Yes. So the life of the membrane is longer.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes, that's
you
very
talk
important.
about efficiency,
Yes.
Membrane efficiency.
To improve the
6 years.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
We
your
can
membrane
use
life
the
is
membrane
more than
life,
6
yes.
years. So you don't need to replace quite often. Yeah.
Mm.
That's good. Yeah.
very expensive.
Expensive
Yes,
membranes are
very
expensive. Yeah, I know. Yeah. It
We
is.
can-
So these chemicals are really very important
Yes.
for the operations of the your plant. Yeah. So can you talk about the service? How quickly they serve you? they come, you have a team, Tacha, you have engineers come here and collect the samples
Yes,
and,
yes.
and quickly check and guide you in, giving in how to improve it. Yeah.
For this fan,
So,
very important.
yeah. So, and I can see that Kuntacha, and since the beginning, he's in this, it's like a very good family customer, I can say. Yeah. Right. And so, in terms of the membranes, if you just said that membranes efficiency and life the longer by using the his anti-scalants and the biocides. Generally, what kind of problems you experience in the operation? มีปัญหาแบบไหนบ้าง in factory ปกติ
ไม่ค่อยมีปัญหานะ เพราะว่า
all
มัน
smooth, yeah,
Yes,
smooth
very
operation, yeah. So that's nice,
เพราะ
yeah.
เราเลือกเคมีดีค่ะ
Nice. Look at me, and
It's 15 years.
15 years,
15 years
yeah.
since the start of the plant.
That's right. Yeah. So that's happy to know, giving that feedback, about Macaw water, and how their chemical perform for you, benefit your operations. I think you point out correctly. Membrane is expensive. What is which size? 16 inch or what is size you use membranes?
ใช่ไหนนะ
Flat new, my flat new and 6 new.
ไซส์ใหญ่เลยอ่ะ
Yeah, the 16 inch, I think you have 16 inch, so they're very expensive, so keeping them good all is very important. These chemicals are very important, so yeah. And how frequent the Mr. Tachai will come to the plant?
มาบ่อย
So he visit frequently, update
Yes,
you, yeah.
yes.
So it's good, it's good, yeah. So yeah, okay.
มาบ่อยค่ะ ก็มีทีม
The team also come and help, and check. Particularly, I think important is analysis, water analysis, and then only you can improve the process, right? So yeah, so nice. Anything else you want to add? Kunna Tacha, you want to say some words about them?
I would like to thank you, all of you, that we do our best for you. Yeah, and you are the professional also. When it's like we work together with a good chemical, with a good operation, with a good service. We are same like a same family. Yeah. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy with Anurag because we run it smoothly since startup. Yeah, it's bring the profit to the every party. You, me, and Amata also. They have the water, very good water to supply to the supply back to the inside. Thank you very much.
So
You're welcome.
yeah, it's good to know working together. I think Anurag water, the role is very important. How many factories in this area?
700 for
So you
for-
supply
for-
water for all the 700?
We supply only 2,000 company.
To the 2,000
Yeah,
companies.
yeah.
So
Because we have a central Amata water have many central wastewater.
yes, okay, yeah. So it is very, very important to run this plant smoothly. If they want to run the plant smoothly, right? If any factory, they need water,
Yeah.
right? And if the problem here, they have a problem, right? So it is, I think, your operations very important for whole industrial estate, and to do that, chemicals like his chemicals helps to run the plant smoothly,
Yeah.
right? So
Together.
yeah,
Exactly.
together. Right. And do we have a chance to look around, and can you show us how this Anurag water, from the input to the output, okay, and various stages. Can you can walk to us, show us, yeah, whether it be nice, yeah. Thank you very much, appreciate it. So now we have an opportunity to visit the plant, and Miss Pirong Rong, she will take us to whole operations of the Anurak water, okay, and also we check his chemicals where they are using it as well, yeah. So let's go, okay, yeah. Thank you. Let's go. Let's look at this water treatment plant, influent and effluent, and we have pH is 5.5 to 9, COD is maximum 750, and suspended solids 200 ppm, and the temperature around 45 centigrade. It's warm, huh? Raw, huh? Yeah, I mean steam also there. And you're getting quality COD under 120. Suspended 50, and then you use for the recycling plant, right? So this is wastewater treatment. Yeah, wastewater treatment. Can you talk about how this you operate SBR? Yeah, this is influent. Yeah. Okay, that's. So all the wastewater come here. Every factory come to this place. Yeah.
For the factory from the phase 1 and 2.
Okay.
To 2,000 company.
2,000 company. And how much is the input volume?
For this pan, 16,000 cubic meter per day.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, I see. Yeah. And
this is the first step for this pan.
I see.
The wastewater from the factory discharge to the central wastewater.
Yes. And you adjust the pH here?
Yes.
Okay. And how much you maintain the pH here?
When we have the problem about the pH, we can adjust by the acid or alkaline.
So you maintain same pH so that because there are a lot of different wastewater change, yeah. So yeah. Okay. Oh, that's a treated water. This is an effluent from the wastewater treatment plant. Yeah. Oh, very clear, huh? Yeah. Very clear, yeah. So it means the system is operating very good, eh? Yeah.
พยายามลด SS ให้เหลือน้อยที่สุดไม่งั้น
Yes.
เดี๋ยวมันจะเป็นโหลดที่ฝั่งมีเค็ม
Yeah, the suspended, you need to control the suspended solids so that your recycling plant is going to be
งั้
operating
นจะ
good.
ไปบล็อกที่ทรายของตัว RVP ค่ะ อันนี้
So how much is it? 20 ppm, right? So suspended solids?
not more than 20 yes
And under 20.
ตอนนี้
Yeah.
เท่าไหร่ไม่รู้ เราคอนโทรลได้เท่าไหร่
ถ้าบิดหรือว่า
SS
เอสเอน่าจะต่ำกว่า
15. The
15สแตนดาร์
standard.
ด
50
Oh.
อ๋อ อันนั้นมันไอ้ BOD
แต่ว่า
อันนั้น
เรา
BOD
คอนโทรลน่ะให้มันต่ำกว่า 15
I see. Okay.
And then
So
BOD.
you operate better than required, right?
yes
Okay, and Macaw, this is our outlet. Yeah.
This is water from the wastewater treatment plant.
the treated
Oh, from the DAF. From the
From the
DAF, right? From the DAF, because you or what I understand is that you use a SPR to treat the wastewater. You get a filter water, effluent under 15 ppm, suspended solids. Then you send them to the DAF, and then you get this is a output of the DAF, right? Yeah. Oh, these are the Macaw Water's chemicals storage area. As a Membicide 1216. This is a basically liquid RO microbiocide. Yeah. And this is a Titan ASD 200. This is an anti-scalant, liquid RO anti-scalant dispersant produced by the PWT Chemicals, and of course it's supplied by the Macaw Water International.
ออกอะไอ้ให้ตัวAPI ออกเนี่ยไม่เกิน3
โอเค
นะแล้วมันก็ต่ำกว่า3
ปกติ SDA ต้องเป็น5
ใช่
ไหม
ก็คือว่ามันวิเคราะห์เต็มที่ได้ถึง5แต่ว่าเราคอนโทรลอยู่ประมาณ3
Wow, so you maintain good quality, yeah.
ใช่ต้องทำให้ต่ำกว่าที่ข้อกำหนดของเขาที่เราเอารับได้
So it means that you ไปมีปัญหาน้อยข้างบนเพราะว่าคนครั้งแรกผม I understand that first you control the suspended solids, then control SDI before you go to the RO, so that one less problem, two ใช้เคมีน้อย reduce chemical to use, and membrane life longer, right? So that is the benefit. So yeah. So it is very important to operate the plant pre-treatment. สำคัญที่สุด
ถูกต้องครับ
So and I really like that you have maintained under even better quality than required.
ก็ก่อนหน้านั้นมีดับหรือยังที่เราทำแผนแรกๆเลยอะ
ไม่มีดับ
ก่อนหน้านี้มีปัญหา
มีแต่ดับแล้วก็ไม่มีดับไม่มี UF
Oh, okay.
เข้า RO เลย
Oh, then you have so many problems
แป
there.
ด
Oh,
คือแต่ละ
API คือ8
อ๋อ
oh my goodness.
ตอนแรก
I
ก็
see.
คือน้ำเสียเข้าดับ แล้วก็
เข้า RO
เอาเข้า
Okay.
RO
Okay.
ทีนี้
So
บางอย่างมันยังสูง
From
ไป
MF you have UF also? No, only MF.
UF ก็มี
Yeah. So next step UF.
เอา no
อ่ะคืออย่างนี้ค่ะ ตอนแรกอ่ะ
UF ตอนแรกมันเป็น UF
ใช้ UF แล้วมีปัญหาเรื่องวาล์วเยอะท่อพังบ่อยอะไรเงี้ยค่ะ ก็เลยมาเปลี่ยนเป็นตัวนี้ คุณภาพน้ำที่ได้ก็ไม่แตกต่างกัน ก็ใช้ตัวนี้โอเปเรตง่ายกว่า
แล้วก็ที่สำคัญของ UF อ่ะก็คือ UF อ่ะเราเรื่องของล้ออ่ะมันเยอะกว่าเพราะเราเป็นคอสโปไง
Yeah. Let's go.
ใช่แต่พอตอนนี้เราเปลี่ยนมาเป็นMF มันเป็นเดสเอ็นมันเป็น
Dead end
เดสเอ็น
แต่ใช้วิธีการ
Dead
ฝัด
end
บ่อย
ใช่มันก็เลยใช้วิธีการฝังอะไรพวกนี้ร้อนของระบบตัวนี้มันก็เลยลดลงอะไรพวกนี้
So
แล้วโอเวอร์เลง่ายกว่า
yeah, แน่นอน yeah.
แต่ว่าคุณภาพถ้าพูดคุณภาพจริงๆ UF ก็ดีกว่าแหละ
แน่นอนอันนี้อยู่แล้วแต่ yeah, but it saves your operational problem ใช่ไหม and also operational cost. Cartridge เป็นไงบ้าง how do you deal with it so many
วีเชงเปลี่ยนตามรอบ
เปลี่ย
ค่ะ
นตามรอบประมาณ
2 อาทิตย์
2 อาทิตย์ครั้งหนึ่ง
แพงไหม
ถ้าประมาณ80 บาท90 บาท100 นึงนะครับไม่เกินนี้
and
launch the product
okay
for cleaning
cartridge too
starting cleaning
okay
ก็
then
จะลด product ตัวหนึงแต่เดี๋ยวมาแล้วเดี๋ยวพี่จะให้ลอง
ค่ะ
เป็น
เนี่ย
ล้างขัดจิต
อ๋อ
เดี๋ยวเขากำลังจะออก product เป็นเคมีสำหรับหมุนเวียนล้างขัดจิต
ถ้าติดพวกนี้นะ
ขัดจิตพวกนี้
ตัว PP แน่หรอ
เดี๋ยวดู
ให้มัน
เขา
เปิดมั้ยพอถึงอะไรที่วันจริงมันยืดหมดเลยนะข้างในนี่
เดี๋ยวไม่เขาบอกว่าจะล้างได้ถึง 4-5 รอบ
ก็
เดี๋ยวเขาจะออกโปรดักต์มาไอ้โปรดักต์ที่ทำเคมีที่เราทำลายให้ใน GWT นะบอกว่าดีว่าถ้าทำได้ก็ดีกว่า เก็บพลาสติกลูกค้าเราใช้กันเยอะ
เยอะ
ใช่ลูกค้าแต่ว่าไม่รู้ว่าค่าเคมีกับค่าเป็นค่าดิน
ๆไม่รู้
นะ
แต่เขาบอกว่าคุ้มอะเขาบอกว่าคุ้มไม่งั้นเขาทำมาเขาขายไม่ได้ต้องบอกว่าคุ้ม
ไม่ที่มันดำอ่ะต้องเข้าใจนิดนึงว่าน้ำที่เราไปผสมเคมีอะไรพวกนี้ด้วยมันมีอยู่และระบบผมว่ามันเป็นระบบเปิด ถังผมเป็นถังเปิดนะไม่ได้ถังปิดนะทั้งถุงทั้งอะไรเข้าอยู่
Well, it's a good news that Kun Chacha is saying about even PWD chemicals. They are
Yeah.
going to bring the new product to clean these cartridge filters.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know plant manager is saying that it is important for them. I know it is a waste, but there is a solution for this one also.
Yeah.
So hopefully
The new product chemical.
the new product chemical. Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. Let's give it. So you experiment here. I was telling about this Anurag water treatment facility. This is a company under Ranhill Utilities Company. It's a very big company, Ranhill. Yeah, and this one.
Malaysian.
Okay, there are two companies: Ranhill Water Technology Style Limited and also Anurag Water Treatment Facilities too. Yeah. This is the UF plant. Yeah.
ตอนนี้เป็นสแตนบาย
Standby
ตัว
in
นู้นเป็น
case
หลัก
MF is in trouble. Then you use. But MF is working good. Yeah. Okay. Hi. So this is RO plant. Yeah. So So let's look at the anti-scalant they use, and also the biocide. Yes. How much percentage?
They look about the 10%, no? 10%, 10% concentration.
Total concentration. Okay. Yeah. Very clear water.
Yes.
Can we drink?
We control like a tap water. Standard like a tap water, not drinking water.
Okay. I want to know about the system of membrane cleaning.
นะฮะโอเค
Clean membrane แบบไหนบ้าง
ใช่
ที่นี่ครับผม
ครับคือโดยปกติแล้วเนี่ยเราจะทำ CP หรือcleaning membrane เนี่ยก็ประมาณโดยเฉลี่ยแล้วก็ประมาณเดือนละ1 ครั้ง แต่จริงๆแล้วเนี่ยมันจะมีปัจจัยอย่างอื่นที่ต้องทำเรื่องของการทำความสะอาดเมมเบรนเนี่ยก็คือเรื่องของเดลต้าพีอะไรพวกนี้นะครับเดลต้าพีมันขึ้นเกินที่เราค่าตั้งมั่งหรือเปล่าหรือเปอร์เซ็นต์ซอลริเจกอะไรพวกนี้มันขึ้นเกินจากที่เราตั้งหรือเปล่าอันนี้เราก็ต้องทำแต่โดยปกติแล้วก็เฉลี่ยแล้วก็เดือนละ1 ครั้งการทำ CP ก็จะใช้เคมีอยู่2 ตัวคือกรดกับด่างโดยปกติอยู่แล้วและการล้างของที่นี่จะมีเมมเบรนRO เราจะเรียงเป็น2 สเตจการล้างกรดด่างเนี่ยจะไม่เหมือนกันแล้วแต่ฟาวลิ่งของฟาวลิ่งเริ่มต้นคืออะไรจะขึ้นกรดก่อนก็ได้จะขึ้นด่างก่อนก็ได้แต่ว่าไซเคิลนึงเนี่ยก็เฉลี่ยแล้วก็ประมาณ8 ชั่วโมงอะไรพวกนี้ทั้งกรดทั้งด่างพวกนี้ครับแต่มันจะมีอีก1 ตัวที่ผมจำเป็นต้องทำก็คือการล้างด้วยที่มีอยู่ตัวหนึ่งตัวเบบี้ไซส์ตัวนั้นจะทำทุกสัปดาห์นั้นนะครับตัวนั้นสำคัญ
Because the plant is a recycling plant.
Yeah.
It's full of bacteria.
So you have a chance to biofouling a lot.
Yeah. So we have like non-oxidizing biocides is fast kill. Fast kill is not free continuous. We use it in CAP.
Yeah.
We use it in CAP and it's not take time. It's just do it more frequent. It's better. It's better. You don't wait until the biofouling.
You
Don't wait until biofouling.
True.
Yeah.
I think because the plant is NAMSIA.
NAMSIA. Yeah, NAMSIA.
And not from one
Yeah,
factory.
yeah.
Many factories.
Yeah.
ใช่
And, so you have to be very careful about the fouling.
The product is the memory size 1120, and you use around about 200 ppm. Yeah. It's just 1 kilo, no? Yeah, about 1 kilo per CIP.
ใช่
It's not expensive, and it's help you to stop the biofouling. Yeah, it's make you run smoothly. Yeah, this is a program that is work.
ใช่
Yeah, it's work.คุณจามอน it's work. Otherwise, you will clean the membrane every 1-2 days. Then you apply this. Just like we call it a bio cleaning. Yeah.
This is very important.
Yeah.
ใช่
So I think every membrane system sometimes with the feed water analysis
ใช่
and clear, made properly controlled.
ใช่ สำคัญเลยครับ
Yeah. And how to operation them. And how to select like a collect chemical. Collect chemical. And then bring back to to the our this scale land of the PWT. They have the innovation. They have the unique. Kun Param. They produce the polymer themselves. They not buy the polymer to blending. They produce themselves, and the polymer is we have the function of like they call the Bendimer function. Bendimer function is like a scale prevention.
Okay.
Yeah, we not scale. We call scale in prevention. It means that it not allow us from the scale
To form. Yeah.
to form the scale. It not allow.
Yeah, that is purpose.
The others are this scale land in the market. The scale is the ion is form scale already, and they like control it after that.
Yeah, it's we call it
Yeah.
You react not after. Proactive.
Yeah,
So,
Yeah, and then you can I report every week. You can calculate the performance. Yeah.
Okay.
By a mass balance equation.
Right.
Yeah. There is no scale fouling in membrane. Scale that in or out in the concentration.
I know some companies membranes 2 year 3 year core.
Yeah.
You are talking
7 years,
6 years,
7 years.
Yeah. Actually, the Matadan do 5 year. Like they talk, okay, and if you operate good, but the 6-7 years, I think the Tamsudio labs.
And this is for the recycling.
Yeah, recycling plant,
recycling.
more fouling,
More
except in surface water, and waste water.
It's not did well. Yeah, it's recycling. Okay, it's a that I'm happy. We happy. It's a success story.
Yeah, it's a really success story. I think it helps the many portwa, not headache. Okay, smooth operation. Yeah.
คือผมได้ที่ชลวิทย์ด้วยแหละเที่ยวพวกผลพวกอะไรพวกนั้นแหละถ้าผมไม่มีเครื่องมือตัวนี้นะโหผมแย่เลยใช่แย่เลยอ่ะแย่เลย
We keep on.
He's saying, in Thai that if his chemical is not there, you'll have more trouble. Okay?
Thank you.
Macaw water support is, I think it's hand in hand together. Anurak water or Rand Hill and also Macaw water to support each other.
As I said that you have a three-party, operation, chemicals, and service. This is together we stronger together. Three-party, not only one party. Three-party. Because the operator is stay here 24 hours. It's the most important. And we as supply the best chemical, and we supply the best service together. That is very strong.
I think it's a good teamwork. Good team. Okay, not just only good chemical, but good operation.
Good operation and good service.
Good service.
Yeah, we have
I think you get that report.
Good service.
Very useful.
Report, good comment. And the operations action suddenly. The action suddenly.
Water, wastewater, influent to the wastewater treatment plant. This water comes from the different factories. You are talking about 2,000 factory mixed together, and so you get this kind of wastewater. And they use the SBR system, sequence batch reactor, and they treat it is how the treated water from the wastewater treatment plant. You see, it's already so clear, and as I understand from the team, their quality is much better than the standard. Okay, suspended solids 15 ppm. Okay, and so it's a really highly maintained operation here. Okay, and this one from treated water. Okay, it goes to the reclaim plant, but they have the process. You have the DAF. Okay, dissolved air flotation, and then you go to microfiltration,
and then and it goes to the RO plant, because I think they put a system also. They have a very interesting system. They have two plants standby. One is UF, one is on the MF. Okay, so if there is something issue, so you can also switch immediately to the UFL. So and their priority is at feed water quality, and by having the pre-treatment system, DAF, MF, properly operate, the membrane RO plant is good, right? So, and this is a water come from the the RO plant, and they supply back to the main Amata water, and Amata water distribute again to the factory, right? So this is how this is a story. And Kun Tachai from Macaw water, he is giving his part, that providing the anti-scalant and biocide, and we were talking about mentioning about the because of wastewater, biological fouling is going to happen. Okay, you must use the biocides from the supplied by the Macaw water. So, well, what we look at this plant is well operated. It's a good team, good supplier.
Good chemical.
Good chemical, okay, and from the PWT chemicals, from the US, and of course all the credit goes to operators. You have a good chemical, but using it, operating it in your hand. So kudos to the the team, and thank you for hosting us today to learn about your story, learn about your experience with the Macaw water and these chemicals. Okay. And once more, Kun Tachai, thank you very much for giving opportunity.
No problem.
And a special thanks to you, showing around. Okay, and keep doing good work. Okay, and also please come to our show in Bitech.
I will send
invitation. So we have a presentations. Their suppliers will give it technical information, also technical talk. So you can also talk to them. Okay, those experts from the PWT chemicals will come there. Okay, so
make a presentation.
So please do visit Membrane and Filtration Expo during the 29 to 30 March in Bangkok at Bitech. So that you can meet Macaw water team, and also I will look to see you there as well. Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Macaw. Thank you very much. Thank you.